Here at the Car Care Zone, we know rising fuel costs are hitting your wallet hard. That's why today, Alex is going to show you how to save big.
Feeling this at the pump? It's painful. But what if I told you you're probably wasting a full tank of gas?
Every few months on things you ignore. Today, we fix that. 3 ignored tips, big savings. Let's get started.
Tip number 1, your car is not a storage unit. Lose the weight. This extra junk forces your engine to work harder every single time you accelerate.
Losing just 100 pounds can improve your MPG, up to 2%. It adds up. Most of us just forget it's even back there.
That's money, right there in your trunk.
Tip 2, the silent fuel killer, your tire pressure.
See that? Too low. Too low. This is what your engine is fighting.
Underinflated tires create friction. It's like driving through invisible mud. Your engine burns more fuel to push through it.
Check it monthly. It's free at most gas stations. We ignore it because we can't see it, but your wallet can feel it.
Finally, the biggest one, the one we all do. Tip 3, stop the aggressive driving. Hard acceleration, hard braking. This is the most expensive way to drive. You're turning gasoline directly into noise.
We do it out of habit, or we're in a rush, but it rarely gets you there any faster. It only gets you to the pump sooner. So let's recap. 1, lose the weight. 2, check the pressure. And 3, drive smoothly. None of these cost a dime, but together they can save you hundreds a year. What other fuel tips do you swear by? Let me know in the comments.